For if Jesus comes tomorrow, we would have just one more day. If you have no peace, if you had no peace with Jesus, the Son of God, then your angel must be crying. His heart is broken. For if Jesus comes tomorrow, we will have just one more day. Come on, everyone. One more day to separate the world. One more day, and time shall be no longer. One day left for you to show. One day left for me to show you. And when you come, there'll be no warning. When it all begins to happen, when it's from descends from heaven, we will know that we will have one more day. One more day. One more day. If you want to know where I'm going, where I'm going, where I'm going soon, as anybody else do, where I'm going, where I'm going.